Have you ever scrolled through social media and seen a post about robots or AI taking over jobs? It's a real concern for many people today. In a world where technology is advancing rapidly, job insecurity is more common than ever. But you're not alone in feeling this way. The rise of AI is changing the workplace, and it's natural to wonder what the future holds. The important thing is to focus on what you can control, like learning new skills and staying adaptable. Remember, change brings opportunity. Let's explore how you can thrive in this new era. In 2025, Intel laid off a staggering 22,000 employees, 20% of its workforce. Since January, over 163,000 U.S. government jobs have been cut to reduce spending. And it's not just about the economy. The rise of AI and automation means machines can do more and do it cheaper. Add inflation, economic turbulence, and changing work models like gig jobs, and suddenly, no one feels secure anymore. Here's the thing, your anxiety is completely valid, but unchecked fear can wreck your day-to-day life. According to neuroscientist Joseph Ledoux, fear helps us survive. It's the brain's way of keeping us safe. But too much fear, especially around job loss, can disrupt your sleep, kill your concentration, lower your confidence, even cause physical symptoms like racing heartbeat. The American Psychological Association, 2023, links fear-based stress with a significant drop in productivity. Age can be a factor too. Professionals in their 40s or 50s often earn more and carry greater financial responsibilities, mortgages, kids, even aging parents. Companies looking to cut costs may lay off older staff first. In fact, Shantanu Deshpande, CEO of Bombay Shaving Company, calls this a massive destabilizer. Plus, with gig work on the rise, employers no longer need to go through lengthy processes to fire staff. They can simply let go of a freelancer, just like that. A 2016 study by Katz and Kruger showed that gig workers made up 10 to 15% of the U.S. workforce even back then, and that number has only grown. Now, here's the good part. You can take control. It's not about becoming an entrepreneur overnight or having more skills or more funds in your account. Honestly, it's about psychological insurance, and keeping your mental health stable. Upgrade your skills. Whether it's learning AI tools, remote work systems, or project management, staying relevant is honestly your first line of defense. Start a side hustle. Don't rely on just one income. A side hustle isn't just trendy, it's a financial safety net. So, let's talk about building an emergency fund. The Federal Reserve reported in 2022 that only about 54% of Americans could actually handle a $400 emergency. That really means that just one small problem could, honestly, lead to some major anxiety. Now, it's important to plan financially for those worst-case scenarios. Just knowing that you could survive for, say, 6 months without any income can give you real peace of mind. So, go ahead and create a plan. And honestly, stick to it. Remember, job insecurity isn't just about money. It eats away at your mental well-being. If you're feeling overwhelmed, talk to a friend or therapist. Meditate or practice mindfulness. Journal your fears. Get them out of your head. Your worth isn't tied to a paycheck. You're allowed to feel scared, but don't let fear stop you from preparing. You may not be able to control global layoffs or the rise of AI, but you can control your mindset, your skills, and your financial future. If this video helped shift your perspective, hit that like button and share it with someone feeling uncertain about their job. Drop a comment about how you're preparing or what scares you most about this new era. We're all in this together.